Hello! PyCharm is the best integrated development environment for Python. And in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to install PyCharm. So let's Google for PyCharm. Okay. Click on download now. And here is the trick. Instead of downloading it directly, either the professional or community version, I highly recommend that you use the Toolbox app to download it. And the main reason for that is that the Toolbox app makes it much easier to deal with future updates of PyCharm. In addition to that, it's also a multi-platform application. So let's download it. Okay, as you can see, it's a very small file. We run it, install it. Okay. Okay, and here is the nice thing about it. You can also log in into your JetBrains account if you have one, and otherwise, let's say you want to install or update your PyCharm. It's very simple. Instead of downloading a new version of PyCharm and installing it again and uninstalling the old version, of course, you simply click update and that's it. It's just going to be updated automatically for you. That's very fast and very convenient, and it also keeps your settings, which is very handy. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.